Sha'be Zelensky ubadai Presiden kari Ukraine napo ka office trekam Joe Donald Trump kata napo White House.
We're going to feel very
you will
good.
Feel influenced.
We're going to feel very
I'm
good and very
telling you,
strong.
You will feel influenced.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed
From the
yourself
very-
to be in a
from
very
the very
bad position,
beginning
and
of
he
the
happens
war.
to be right about
From the
it.
very beginning of the war.
You're not
Mr.
in a good
Brown,
position.
I
You don't
was
have the cards right now. With us, you start
I'm
having
not playing
cards.
cards.
Kiri ka perthei bro ka wei kil ap khmi lanti. Bak erek e ka jingba kan mi bet khamtam. Ka jingkermen na ki paiba kari Ukraine hadin. Ka jinglet kendu jo Volodymyr Zelensky. Ubadai Presiden kari Ukraine yau Presiden kari Amerika. Menin kasngi thoding pause da khongpong menin kalaja hapo White House. Hapedeng ka jinglet kendu jo Zelensky yau Donald Trump. Ka jingya kren kabalane hadu ke ba sau pho minit tam ei. Belasan ran lang da kibor kari Ukraine yau Zelensky. Bat yau Donald Trump belasan ran lang rude da Vice President kari Amerika. Hapedeng jong katai ka jingya kendu hapo White House. Penban hapedeng katai ka jingya kendu jong kitai ki nong yalam jong ki arteli kiri. Kalami penban ka jingyan kabajur pa hapedeng Volodymyr Zelensky. Bat u Donald Trump kumjuru de bat u Vice President kari Amerika. Halor ka jingya tai nia kumno ban wara no. Syak bakut sendon deban sange ia siat no. Shwa shipor ia katma hapdeng kari Russia persya ia kari Ukraine. Nakal yang Donald Trump da kabasai ulakren hakmat u Zelensky. Ba ukwa ba katai katma kan kutno namar u Putin. Badai nongelam kari Russia ulalong ubalak penkre. Banwan syakami jung ka jingya su karengkat. Ki kendon babun jung lada unya su persya ia kari Ukraine. Keba nakal yang Zelensky ulap paiktin syau Donald Trump. Da kaboong bahadu lai parsin u Vladimir Putin ulap penkeng. Ia ki kendon sange ia siat. Desakan lo sin syukeng. Kabamut bau Zelensky udon ka jing artatin. Ban syanya biang ia ki putu jong u Putin. Hakaba nakal yang Donald Trump ulakren. Da kabateng ia u Zelensky basakat no mekwa. Ne mekwa bakat ma ba balai kan kibiang. Nehato memdon jing sngau baki hajar ngut ki paiba bat ki sipai kari Ukraine kila syuklon yap ei bat nilai rap da ki 4 million ban kersan ia ka Ukraine hakani katma desakan no syu medang kwa lakren u Donald Trump taka jingdom hakmat jong Zelensky hi hakba kalami ru bun ba ki jingyan ya halor katai ka benta kabala penlong ya u Zelensky ba un hapban syupet bat mi jendano napo White House lem dadon mano-mano kin nong yalam nakari Amerika bakin senran lang yau hadu kakali kaba umi napo ka office trekam jung Donald Trump hakba katai ka jingya kendu jungki kala syupulum no bat kam syamlapoi sya banyarai na yasan ya kino kikam hapedeng jung kitiki arngut kin nong yalam hadin balawai katai ka jingya kendu nakalang Donald Trump ulakren takabasai sya Volodymyr Zelensky ba ula banwan paibiang hakanu kanu kupor kaba Volodymyr Zelensky ula penkre baniasan ia kaba katai katma kan poino syakabukut layatu Donald Trump habaya kendu kerpang bat kilat patai kubur nakal yang Zelensky ru ulong ba uburom ya kari Amerika halor kikam bakalayarap ya kari chungu hendai umla ban priang ya ke kabakar ri Russia kakwa ban long traino ya ki katu kani ki benda jong kari Ukraine kaba kalayo man kamtrai menta hapdeng katai katma ka badang ya biteng hadu menta yathu utay nong yalam kari Ukraine haka jingakren bat ka Fox News hapo kari Amerika hi.
A contract, if you want to end the war, you sign up an agreement. That's going to take a period of time. It takes time. I want it to end immediately. And I think if you had a ceasefire, it would be a ceasefire, a real one, that would end it. But he doesn't want to do that, that's fine. Do a better deal. I want it to end immediately. I want a ceasefire now. He says, oh, I don't want a ceasefire. Well, all of a sudden he's a big shot because he has the U.S. on his side. Either we're going to end it or let him fight it out.